Okay, we're going to film down Zhuhai de Barca and I'll kind of give you an update of what's going on with the COVID. There's 2 more cases and here's what I think about it. I'm going to let you know in a second. This will be time stamped as well and we'll try to get it up. There's so much new news going on constantly right now. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. This is Zhuhai de Barca. You can go down this way. That's Zhuhai de Barca. You can also go down that way. That's also Zhuhai de Barca too. So what we'll do is we'll go this way and we'll try to get around this vehicle right now. I'll just kind of tell you what. There's 2 more cases of COVID, so now we have about, is it 6 cases? Most of them are through the security guard, right? That's coming down. Look how beautiful that building is, all the way up. That's all Zhuhai Barca. So yeah, kind of a lot of cool stuff around here. Nice little bakery. I love these corners. That building looks so cool, of course. Okay, so we're gonna also check out this way too. Kind of cool. So we're also gonna walk back a little bit. Go across here, so we're going to walk across like that, and that's our focus here, the first, but that looks kind of cool too, like these buildings like that. Okay, so let's get into COVID. Basically what I do is I document Macau anyways through video, so I'm doing that at the moment, and that video is kind of interesting as well. That's a little rooftop right there as well. Check this one out. So there's Zhuhai de Barca. A nice little thumbnail right there. All the people walking through Zhuhai de Barca. So yeah, so anyways, we got 2 new cases of COVID. Let's kind of check out this whole thing right here. Alright, that's cool. So now we're up to case up to 70, so I think it was like 64, 65. And I think 4 of those are, there's one that came from Hong Kong. Somebody is traveling all over the Middle East, and then they went to Hong Kong and then came over here. I thought you had to be in Hong Kong for at least 14 days before you could even, or 21 days or something before you could even travel in Macau as well. There's all these exceptions for too many people in the COVID, but a lot of people can't come in at all, so it's quite confusing. But anyways, what happened was one of the cases came in who's, that looks really, I like that green building a lot, amazing. But one person got COVID, brought it in, and the security guards, I guess, were kind of lax. So I guess now there's like 4 different security guards that all have COVID. So it's kind of crazy. So now there's all these messages about buses, and if you're on the buses at the same time as they were, then you'll be quarantined as well. So there was 850 people, I believe, who also are going to be quarantined just for being on the same bus. And now there's kind of a feeling too that maybe we might end up being, there's all this cool stuff everywhere in Macau, you know? Look at all that cool stuff everywhere. So now there's also the feeling that we could all get locked down and could all be not moving anywhere pretty soon, because this could be spreading quite a bit. So there's like 4 security guards that got it. I think they're all the Delta as well, I think. I'm not 100% sure because the 2 ones are just announced just now. Some interesting stuff down that way. There's Zhuhai de Barca. That's kind of our focus. Kind of want to get into this little market as well. So let's have a little market here with fruits and vegetables. So we'll just walk down it a little bit. It's off Zhuhai de Barca. So anyways, we kind of have a slight fear that we could all be under lockdown pretty soon. yeah, Macau has a zero COVID approach, which has been pretty successful, but of course it's not sustainable. I know I'm also watching the COVID vaccinations worldwide. China is just like vaccinating. They're going to be fully vaccinated before you know it. They're at 75% as of right now, and the way I'm watching the numbers go up, it feels like it'll be way up there to much higher. And then you look at tiny little Macau, and Macau has already been it's only 50% are vaccinated, and we've had all the vaccines, so people just aren't taking them. So basically that means that it looks kind of cool right there. But the government could make the rest vaccinated, and then we could all be out of this, and then no more lockdowns and quarantines and all kinds of stuff. But as it is, let's see if we can make it through that or not. Gonna try to get down that little alley. Kind of interesting. Let's see if he makes it. A little alley all the way down. Okay. So I guess we'll come back out to Zhuhai Barca. So anyways, there's this kind of fear that there might be a lockdown. I'm also kind of documenting the city and all the stuff that's going on. So that's basically what's going on. I put everything on in the dated in the corner, in the left corner, so you can see exactly the date and time when I filmed this. And let's just see if we're all under lockdown before we know it or not. And let's get also back down to Zhuhai Barca, documenting the city and also kind of giving you the update of what's going on with Macau and all the COVID and such. Yeah, I have to get some groceries, I think, and get all stocked up because we don't know the future now. I wish people just get vaccinated here and just be done with this whole thing. But a lot of people have not, so. Okay. Let's go back to our green building. We'll kind of end it there. Pretty cool looking stuff there. Look at all those windows, how massive those are. Now we're back there. That giant, cool looking building. Man, that'd be amazing to be up there. Those rooftop ones up there. Anyways, let's all stay safe, everybody, and hopefully all this COVID stuff will be behind us before we know it. But that's the basic update as of today. 70 cases total in Macau. 64 were kind of stayed still for almost 18 months until about a month ago, and then we got a couple, and then now we're up at 70. So 6 new cases in the last few days. And mass testing, second time of mass testing, and this time they're mostly all from the security guards from this quarantine hotel. So that's tourists. Okay, so let's end it right there. Go to Barca. Chiquinha.